Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Right now we're working on the fill-in panels around the firewall. We'll let you guys see us real quick. Okay, so right over in here you guys can see I've got some templates going on. I know you're thinking, man, what are you doing? We've already made this. And I know you guys can see over there, we ran into some problems. So I really didn't care for this section right here. And we also got to make a fill-in panel right in here. So the problems that we were having, if you guys can see it, this old area right in here, it's very uneven, meaning very wavy and stuff. See if I can get a better view of it. See here, yeah, right in there. So I was having problems finding a good clean surface to seal all that up, so it just didn't work out. So come over here, you can now see like I've got an edge right here to go off of, and we can really seal that up really nice and clean. So we're gonna work on that, and I'm gonna take you guys on over here and let you see what Jesse's up to. Okay, so we're over here at the dash right now, and Jesse, he's just cleaning it up, getting it ready for a streetcar takeover, getting it all sanded up, getting ready to put some primer on it. And he's working hard right now on, yeah man, what are you working on right now?
Glove box, getting it shined up like
Boom.
a new penny.
New penny, that's right. So Jesse, he's working on that, getting it all cleaned up, and we'll show you guys some new paint on that. Also, you guys saw in the last episode, we were working on the motor, and we got it painted. You guys can give a little look-see there. Boom, Pontiac blue. Turned out really nice. Show it to you real quick. Turned out real good. Breaks the color up a little bit, and we were looking good on that. Got a ton of work for you today, and we're gonna keep on rocking.
Hey YouTube world, the dashboard is getting done. We started out with the factory gold and black, sanded it down, primed it, sanded it down again. Now we're gonna go with the good slick black color. It'll look sharper than a shiny new penny.
Alrighty guys, me and Jesse have been wearing this thing out tonight. You guys saw him cutting this section out over here, and we got all of this craziness cut out there. Weight reduction right there.
1966.
That's right. So we got that cut out. The main reason for doing that, and if you would zoom in over there on that side, you guys can kind of see what this is going to kind of look like. We had to clean that up. I just didn't like it. There wasn't nothing wrong with it. It just didn't look good the way it was done before. And also, we need to find a better way to seal off the body to the chassis. As you can see there with the white cardboard template that's in there, we now have a much simpler way of sealing it up, and I think it's going to look very clean and very nice. But we are wrapping it up. Again, we got to give a big thanks to Mr. Jesse over here. He's been helping me out tone this thing. I mean, he's been cutting and grinding and making pieces, sanding and painting and primering and doing all kinds of stuff. And man, we've been after it, ain't we, brother?
That's what we live for, man.
That's right. But we're gonna wrap this video up. You know, this is a lot of work that's involved in these firewalls, and you never know what you're gonna run into. But you guys be sure to like and be sure to comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Until next time, you guys have a good one.